So Ryan's a trustworthy tuner because he wears socks inside of his Crocs.
Put them in sport mode. We're not making flames.
And welcome to yet another video starting in the Ranger. I feel like I always start my videos driving, but it's kind of the easiest part. It's where I have a second because I'm usually just rushing everywhere. I'm always late. But anyways, I am late heading over to Jordan's shop today. Jordan installed a certain something into his truck, which is probably in the title, honestly, knowing myself with clickbait. But anyway, ignoring the elephant in the room, Jordan installed something really cool to his truck because we are going to the track tomorrow when I'm recording this, and he wants to take the Tacoma there. The Tacoma is Magnuson supercharged, so it's not stock, and he's added a little something to make it get off the line a bit easier. I was there last night to see it for myself, and I didn't have my cameras with me, go figure. And all I know is that he has to do some tuning on it, and it'll be ready, and that's what I'm gonna go film today. And I also think Ryan should be there. If you guys remember the engine swap, he owns that BMW, and another friend, David, should be there with the WRX STI. I'm pretty sure he's getting a tune or has gotten a tune already. I don't know. Everyone is there getting tunes. Ranger tune? Alright, we're at the shop now. Jordan's pulling his truck in. David and the Subaru is left. His headers are all on and it's tuned, I think. So what do you have to do to this thing? Tune it? Tune it. Okay. What car is that?
It's a Grand Prix. I could actually make this thing spit flames in about 5 minutes. So there's Does anybody want like a T56? There's one in the back. Ryan will fucking money shit out of that.
The tune file you just been supplied is a stock file because it's control line.
Has been previously tuned. It knows it has been tuned.
Yeah, but it just said that it gave me a stock file.
Uh-oh.
Not the
So
supercharged
there's
file.
a way in HP tuners to lock your tune so that you can't read it. I don't know how.
But wait, I don't have a D on my keyboard. but we'll wait.
That's why the Duramax tune is called Duramax.
Is it called Ruramax?
Yes, we went over this. My D doesn't work. It is now Carter's Duramax.
Oh, here, I'm gonna go into just like fucking fuel and see what it's running at and see if this is a supercharged map.
This
or...
looks way easier. Power enrich? Is that what that is?
Yes.
Just wait.
Thanks. Why does that not happen on Duramax?
Because it's a lot more complicated.
Wait.
Thank you, legend, for the information. It's more complicated. That's why.
I'm gonna read it again. See what happens.
So it's supplied onto the computer.
Because this control module is not readable. So I take that as they know what VIN it is. They know what the stock file for this should be, and they just gave me a stock file, and they're not actually reading the one out of the truck.
Yes.
I'm taking a picture of it just so I have it.
So that could be an issue.
Correct.
Legend going, yo, it's $260.
Yeah, you can't even fuck with it.
If this module has been previously tuned, you will lose any existing changes.
And then you can just load the bully dog back on, no?
I can reinstall it, but I don't know what it'll do to this thing.
Yeah, but once you reflash that, it might get
erase that.
get rid of what I did. So unless you just say The bully dog, and we completely tuned the truck on HP.
Yeah, but you can still use the bully dog for the $500 data display.
$500 to see the exhaust temp. Worth.
Hot.
6,500 degrees Celsius.
It's actually free. I put my fucking hand on and go, ouch, ouch. 3rd-degree burn. Many warm.
So do you know how to tune a supercharged vehicle?
He said yes.
Not confident.
What's going on?
It won't read the file that's like, it won't read the bully dog file. Like, I could tune this thing, it's just, it would actually take me like a day.
Let's do a full tune.
The computer. One and the one that I made.
This is a flame tune?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
we're not making flames.
Are you raising the rev limiter? The rev limiter sounds like junk right now, so you gotta make it.
Okay, I will gap your fucking supercharged piece of shit right now.
Probably will.
It sounds like
I will race you for
I'm not
paint.
even joking.
Thing is, this thing is an auto and that thing is a manual.
Manuel.
Yes.
Yeah, but I'm a good shifter. I don't miss gears.
Him.
Ryan's a trustworthy tuner because he wears socks inside of his Crocs.
Put them in sport mode.
All of it.
What happened to your vent?
Bleeded.
I took it out. I'm wrapping it.
Carbon fiber.
How come the plastic in your mirror goes past the door? Why do you have a floor mat out of like a Veo?
You have a lot of questions, eh? Fucking legend. Why do you make 2 pounds of boost? Like, someone got this.
How much boost does this make?
It
I
actually
don't
makes
need boost.
vacuum.
Don't need boost. Like, I will genuinely race you later.
Whoa.
Oh, it sounds spicier.
Yeah, I got
Nice.
Okay, you're
Ryan
done.
said, we don't cut fuel in this neighborhood.
It just makes so much noise here now, eh?
Every car that comes here comes out shooting.
I'm opening the hood and then I'm going home.
But when you're on a highway and you hit a 2-3, you'll see it'll keep pulling. It won't just
Watch
like
it.
die. Because if it's shifted at 54, you fall
it's
off way early and you lose a bunch of ET.
These have fuel issues.
Hey, shut
Wait.
up. Shit's boiling.
What is
There's
that?
actually an air pocket.
It's good for your motor.
Do you
wish?
Hey Ryan.
Here, who wants to pop that cap off?
Yeah, I got some of it.
Coming out into the
Don't worry about that.
flow. Because this
Oh.
tank's full now.
Oh. Oh, I see.
Look at the bubbles.
Is this washer fluid tank? Devin? Coolant. Oh my fuck.
This is getting worse.
So what do you have to do for that intake for the like the
Don't open it. Are they return style?
I don't know, but how's this gonna clear the intake?
Why is it overheating in the first place?
I wonder why.
There's an air pocket.
So
And
how-
like we were just standing on the limiter. Like
How-
that's a stupid question. Legend.
How's this
Why
gonna-
is it overheating? Us?
Never had-
Stop. You ready? Topless?
No phlegm.
No flame.
What, is he gonna get to revving his too?
I don't know.
Why are you shooting flame?
back home because I have to port all this footage from tonight onto my computer so I have space for tomorrow. Because tomorrow we're going drag racing, like I mentioned earlier, and then the day after there's a two-step and Breno competition that Jordan and Ryan are going to be in. So I need to get space for that as well. So it's a busy 3 days for filming, and it'll be fun tomorrow getting the Ranger back out on the strip. But for now, I will catch up with you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys